Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're looking to grow healthier, stronger hair, you're in the right place. Today, I'm sharing some amazing tips and tricks to help you boost hair growth naturally and keep your hair looking gorgeous. Step 1. Healthy diet. Start with a healthy diet. Foods rich in vitamins like biotin, vitamin E, and zinc can do wonders for your hair health. Think leafy greens, nuts, and fish. Step 2. Scalp care. Keep your scalp clean and well-nourished. A good scalp massage can increase blood circulation, promoting faster hair growth. Use gentle oils like coconut or castor oil for that extra boost. Step 3. Avoid heat damage. Avoid excessive heat styling. Heat can weaken your hair, leading to breakage. Try air drying your hair whenever possible, and when you do use heat, make sure to use a heat protectant. Step 4. Regular trims. Regular trims are essential. While it may seem counterintuitive, cutting split ends promotes healthier hair and reduces breakage, allowing it to grow stronger. Remember, hair growth takes time, so be patient and consistent with your care routine. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more hair care advice. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.